app.json. What is it? Go ahead, Pratik.
So actually, it's a configuration file. So we can see that in name, so it's a JSON file. So in the expo JSON file, we can see that our TS4U name and the slug, and also we can see the version of the app, and the orientation is actually when you open the app for the first time.
Portrait with the
Yes.
landscape. Yep. So the application app.json, actually, it is the application, your app configuration here. It is the .json. So you guys keep hearing the JSON is actually everywhere. Not only not only your API payload, you see this app.json, because system to system logical communication, not the Word documents, not the PNG, not the graphical file. It is actually, this is actually the system to system, they communicate through the .json, .xml, .yaml. So it actually straightforward, right? Now you guys understand the details about the app. So if someone is trying to build the app with 6.9.9, it will fail. Now you know it goes forward, it doesn't come back, come behind, okay? Or the backward, sorry. All right, so let's stop this.